In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Stripe account with Kajabi, setting up your payment processing seamlessly. The process is straightforward and will enable you to effortlessly manage transactions and monetize your content. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log into your Kajabi account. Once you're in, head straight to the Kajabi dashboard. Here, you'll find the centralized control panel for all your site's various settings and options. Now, direct your attention to the lower left corner of the screen where you'll spot the Settings tab. This area is your go-to for customizing and fine-tuning your Kajabi experience. Click on it to proceed. Next, under the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Payment Integration. This section is crucial because it's where you'll configure how you want to handle payments and transactions through the platform. Click on Payment Integration and it'll bring up the list of available payment processor options. Here, you'll want to select Stripe as your preferred payment processor. Once you've found it, simply click on Connect and the process will begin. After clicking Connect, you'll be prompted to log into your Stripe account. If you're already a Stripe user, this step is quite simple. Click on Login to Stripe, which will redirect you to the Stripe login page. Here, go ahead and type in your email address. If you have multiple emails, make sure you're using the one linked to your Stripe account to avoid any issues later on. Once you've entered your email, hit Continue and Stripe will ask you to select the account you'd like to connect. In case you manage multiple Stripe accounts, ensure you choose the one that aligns with your Kajabi operations. Having selected the correct account, the next step is to click on Connect, which binds the chosen Stripe account to your Kajabi setup. You may be asked to type in your email and password for Stripe once again to verify your credentials. This is an important step that ensures both platforms are securely linked. Once done, hit Login, and you'll be prompted to provide a few additional details to finalize the integration. This step might include certain specifications related to your business or personal information. After entering the necessary details, click Continue. Before you wrap things up, it's wise to take a moment to carefully review all the information you've entered. Double-check for any errors as this could affect your payment processing down the line. If everything looks good, hit Submit to finalize the setup. And just like that, you'll be officially connected to Kajabi. This connection allows you to offer seamless payment experiences for your clients and keeps your transactions secure and straightforward. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on linking Stripe with Kajabi. I hope this guide was helpful and that you now feel confident in managing your payments with ease.